If you want to install Zoho Books on your mobile device, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can get set up fast and start managing your accounting on the go. Zoho Books is a powerful app for invoicing, expense tracking, customer management, and staying on top of your business finances wherever you are. So if you're a business owner, freelancer, or just someone who wants easier access to Zoho Books from a phone, this video is for you. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, that means the Apple App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar at the top and type Zoho Books. Make sure you choose the official Zoho Books app from Zoho Corporation so you know you're downloading the correct app. Next, tap the Install or Get button. On iPhone, you may be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple password. On Android, the download will begin after you tap Install. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. This usually only takes a moment, depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When Zoho Books opens for the first time, you'll usually see a login or sign-up screen. If you already have a Zoho account, simply sign in with your email and password. If you're new to Zoho Books, you can create an account directly from the app and follow the on-screen instructions to get started. After signing in, the app may ask for permissions, such as notifications or device access. These permissions help you receive alerts, sync your data, and use the app more effectively. Review each prompt carefully and allow only what you're comfortable with. Then follow the setup steps to connect your business profile, company details, and any other information Zoho Books requests. At this point, Zoho Books is installed on your mobile device and ready to use. You can now create invoices, track expenses, view reports, and manage your accounts from anywhere. If you don't see the app right away, check your home screen or app library and make sure the installation completed successfully. That's how to install Zoho Books on mobile in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.